Need just one ingredient.
We do.
I was thinking garlic and ginger.
But that's
That
two.
Oh, garlic
Two,
maybe?
garlic. Well, garlic would work well.
Let's put garlic.
Yes. I think Gino's experiment is very good. I think the problem these days is that you don't get to interact with people as much as we used to do in the old days. First impressions are great, but you need to get to know somebody's personality. And there's no better place than in the kitchen.
I'm used to having a sous chef, my son.
Yeah.
So, if you don't mind, I like to be a bit bossy sometimes, and I like a man who can take it positively. Is that fair?
Absolutely fine.
That's what I do with my son. Do you want to do this? Do you want to do it?
Are we adding the pepper into that now? Our added ingredient.
Good shout. What about the pepper? Yes.
Yes,
We'll
okay.
need to do it before the meat.
I'll do that while you do the pasta. Got it, it's fine.
Oh, my word.
The dating world's brutal. It's a horrible place. To be fair, 2 years of mine have been in and out of lockdown, but the dates I have been on have been absolutely terrible. Do you cook a lot at home?
I do, actually, but I've never actually made my fresh pasta before.
Oh, I've managed to cut myself. It was always going to be me first.
What have you done?
I just cut myself. Just
Already?
Yeah.
How did you cut yourself? Well, cracking an egg? And what are you doing like that?
I'm elevating it so it doesn't bleed.
Do you have a favourite herb, Tom?
A favourite?
Yeah.
I mostly use mixed herbs or like a bouquet garni.
I say, what? My best friend, she turned round to me and said, "You've got terrible taste in men, Chloe." And I was like, God, I really do. I turned 40 this year, so I'm trying to kind of like, you know, break that habit. Do you drink alcohol?
Not really. I do drink. I'm not
Yeah.
against it, and I do drink. I just don't bother. But yeah, how about yourself?
I love wine.
Yeah.
Very accurate cutting.
It's because I'm terrified now. Do you need me to do anything? I can just hang out.
I
Perfect.
am nearly there with this. It's getting
Great job. I'll just be like cheerleading encouragement.
They laugh a lot, and they're very sweet together. So that's a good start.
You're doing a great job.
Oh, thank you very much.
See, I'm doing to you what I do with my son.
With your son,
You're
yeah.
doing a great job in its compliment.
I think at some point Justine will completely take over. But you know, some men like stuff like that.
What do you do for fun?
I do ballroom dancing.
Oh, I joined salsa class.
Oh, did you?
This is good.
Yes,
I do like, you know, salsa is fun and I get my steps wrong and...
Oh, you guys are into dancing?
Yeah, we are.
Are you as well?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We just figure out...
Move those hips, brother. Move those
something we
hips,
have in
brother.
common, the dancing.
I do like Justina, but Alison's my type if I have one, so it's going to be very interesting to see how this thing plays out.
Shall we do a vegetarian one and then a meat one?
You can decide on vegetable one, I can decide on meat. If I take the meat, I can season it my own way.
What would you put with a meat sauce?
Garlic and ginger because it goes well.
I don't put ginger and garlic in my meat if I'm doing
Well, I
ravioli.
do. Or do you want to take all on both?
Oh! Justine and Alison, they look like two lionesses trying to get their lion.
You make your own, I'll make my own.
So we don't come into each other's space.
What flavours are we going for then? Should we do some beef?
I was thinking of doing spinach.
Should we keep it relatively simple? Should we keep it veggie and we can do a meaty one?
Cheers, Mark.
So we're going to do pancetta, right?
Or do we think sausage, pork meat would be easier? Or we could do both.
You know what you're doing?
Yeah?
Okay, because I don't.
Pork and pork.
Pork and pork.
We all know what we're doing.
It's perfect. Double pork. Great. I didn't really talk to Matt that much last night, but I'm excited to cook for someone new.
Do you want me to teach you a quick way to do garlic? So we just like at the back of the plate and do that. And then it just kind of folds away.
I've wasted so much of the last decade of cooking. Matt is very handsome, yes. He is very handsome.
You can never have too much garlic.
We all have garlic breath, and the three-way kiss is going to be just fine.
If you don't mind, I'm going to add a bit of green pepper.
A tiny bit, do you think?
You don't like green pepper?
No, I like green pepper.
So if you do, it can go in there.
Do you like green pepper?
Not in pasta.
But I've already consulted you.
Yeah, but is it a consensus? Are we all...
You said a little bit.
Yeah, I said.
Yes.
But...
If it's something she's never made before, she can't tell me what to put. She'll definitely enjoy her dish. I'll definitely enjoy mine.
She is called Alison.
I forget, you know, I only met you yesterday.
Am I sensing some tension?
What I'm saying is, just let me do my thing. If you can't both like it, I'll eat it myself.
Justina is adamant to get her message across, no matter what the outcome.
What else shall I do with the beef?
You gonna put anything else in with it?
Well, I don't know, beef and onions and, I don't know.
You can flavour it with garlic.
How do you do garlic? Come on, come on, come on.
So what are you going to do after that?
I'm going to roll it through.
Shall I have a go?
Do you want to give it a go?
Yeah. It's very tough.
It is.
You keep bashing me with your hand. It's like playing footsie, but in the air. With pasta.
With pasta.
How is it going?
Yeah, so basically Mark went full on meat straight away, which I thought was a bit selfish, you know. And he just made this crappy minced meat.
But the aim is not to learn how to make a ravioli. But I thought the experiment was to find love.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, you know, the day's young, and we've got a date tonight, so let's see how that works.
You could have been in a worse position. Think about Kevin.
Yeah.
They're too close.
I think that's okay.
They better come out.
Have we got a...
Because I've warned you.
You just cook that sauce.
You need to listen to the pro.
You need to concentrate on your sauce.
You didn't concentrate on your sauce when you were doing it.
My sauce is done.
Chill.
It needs reheating. It's cold now.
Girls.
It's not done yet.
It's done.
Chill.
By the time you guys are done, I work with timing.
Justina. Time out.
Okay, guys. Yeah, teamwork, remember?
Yeah, make a dream work.